Hello everyone, welcome back to Rafthelsa Blogs. Today's blog is about fashion accessories review. So I have here, this is a necklace or choker, and it can be also used for your headdress like that. Okay. Look at this one. This is a real stone. Look at guys, huh? This is real stone. This is the lock, the chain. This is the design, and here smaller, and this is a crystal. So look at here guys. So look, so never mind my blouse. So I will cover my blouse. So just look at here only. Here, this necklace or accessories is just intended for a simple clothing. Look at here, oh. Like this white, so you can wear this one. So if you have a darker orange or brown or beige toppings or tops, so you can match these accessories. Okay, because it is nearest to white, off-white, brown, orange. So this type of accessories is best recommended for those colors who is nearest to this one. Okay, can be off-white, light brown, orange, light orange. Okay, so look at my necklace. This is a real stone. Look at here, just like that. So I just hide my blouse because my blouses have already glitters. So this accessories is intended for white, off-white, orange, light orange, light brown, and yellow, light yellow. It can be also for light yellow, this one. Okay, look, this is real stone. It's little bit heavy, mabigat siya guys. So if you want to be if you want to have a perfect match for your outfit, just try to be professional in your own way. Try to use your accessories in different styles and in many other ways. You can wear this one for your casual attire. Okay, so I hope guys you like this accessories review. This is a real stone. So this is all for today's vlog, guys. So I hope you like this multi-shape accessories. Look at it, this is a stone. Alternate lang siya pagka gawa. So kailangan pag magsuot ka na ganito, yung medyo simple lang na off-white, ganito off-white, then light brown, anything that is light, and this white will match to white. But if you're white like this without any decoration with his flowers or whatever, as long and it is colorful, so it's not good to wear like this. It's because this one symbolizes for the dry autumn season. Okay, so hanggang dito na lang, and I will be signing off, and bye bye to everyone who is always there to support my channel. Okay, so you see that? Ang bigat-bigat nito, guys. So it must be like that. Okay, so it must be like that. Two stone here, big stone, then at the end also is two, and here is only medium, and here is the smallest. Magmo-model lang tayo, guys. I bought this one when I was still in Cyprus. But I forget how much the price for this. Look at this, huh? This is very presentable, especially if you're attending a wedding or a baptism. So I hope to see you again, guys, in my next premiere. This is Rafthelsa's collection and DIY project. Okay, please check out my premiere every day at 8 o'clock Philippine time. Okay, so tada, bye bye for now, and thank you for watching, and God bless, and have a good day, and take care, and keep safe always, and don't forget to comment, write down your comments, and I'll see you again, guys, in my next premiere. Bye bye. Open.